Hi, my name is Nikolai. I'm co-founder and CEO of Yoffix, and I will give you today 10 minutes demo of our product, how we help you to run your hybrid office. So the key challenges of hybrid office are to book a desk, to plan schedule of all your employees, but really also to coordinate who is coming when to the office. And that's actually very important. So people know, well, if I want to go to the office, who else will be there? And that's where we start with our calendar or in Yoffix. That's what you could easily do in one step. So on the top line, you could plan your week and you could go for the next week's actually as well. And here you could say, okay, let's see who will be in the office next week. For example, from departments that I select. And for example, I want to meet next week Holly in the office, but I can see that she is, well, actually the whole week not there. Only on Friday she is in Munich office. So as I plan my week, I need to meet her, for example. I would also say, well, on Friday, I want to go to Munich office. I select the respective office. Here I can see already how many seats are available in the office, so how many are free. And then I select Munich office. I can easily find where she's sitting. Not here, but she should be somewhere closer, right? And that's how I could select my seat. Well, what I can also do in that one step, I can define, well, do I want to book a desk for the whole day or do I need a desk only for a few hours, for example, in first half of the day? What is always also happens quite a lot that you say, well, I want to book in one step several days. That's what you can also easily do with Yoffix. So you could just select, well, for example, it's not only Friday, but well, I would stay a few days in the city. I want to book also Monday and Tuesday. And maybe you come to this office each week for the same day. So you can select weekly and then you could pick up a desk. Well, here one desk is already suggested by the system. So, but maybe we want to change it, and with one click, you confirm it, and all those bookings are done. So now you're also booked for next Friday. You're booked also to to Munich office. Let's proceed with that. So that was how you book your desk, and now you see your booking is confirmed. Well, the next step, what we also offer to admins and to team leads, you want also to coordinate your people, or you want maybe to schedule an office day so that several departments, several teams come together and have joined or work jointly in the office, even if they don't have a meeting with each other, you want them to be in the office jointly. That's what you could do as admin or team lead with our function team booking. So with team booking, you could easily invite several teams, a number of teams to the office, and that's how you do it. So for example, it's uh, office day, IT, and sales, for example, and you could select teams that you need. Let's find also our sales team. And then with one click, you select the whole team. You see in which office do you have sufficient space to invite your whole team. You select, for example, Munich office, and then with one click, all those people are invited. And they're not only invited, they also get their desk assigned, and you could be sure that these people are considered in the office capacity and they receive their confirmation that they're invited at this specific date to be in the office. Okay, so that was our uh, calendar where you book your desk. You can do it by hour, you could do it multiple day booking, or you could repeat bookings, and that's all in one step. And again, you see straight away who from your colleagues is also in the office. Now let's proceed. If you book as you plan your week, you often also want to book not only a desk but also a meeting room, and that's really what is also possible with Yoffix. So you could jump between different offices, you could jump between different days, and um, you could select and book a meeting room. And here, well, surely it is integrated with your calendar, and you could also see. Well, let's make a marketing and sales meeting. You can invite members to join you. You see also who will be in the office. You have also, you see here the capacity of the meeting room, and you can easily book it. Well, let's proceed further with next feature that we also offer with Yoffix. In order to create really a safe office environment, we integrated also COVID feature, so that's easier for you to trace contacts in the office. So for example, you want to say, well, who've been in the office last Friday with, for example, with Alexander. And then with one click, you can download this CSV table and you will see who was in the office with that specific person. Also, what we enable now is for you to easily administrate all the certificates, COVID certificates or vaccination certificates. So for that, you have employee records where you could easily change, say, well, who is vaccinated, on which day, and then the system automatically calculates how long when this certificate will be expired. And why do we do it? Because it's important for you to know who is coming to the office and who is vaccinated or not. So you can easily show, well, show me all desk bookings without required documents. So all the people who had their bookings, and you can decide, well, do you want to cancel some of them or do you want to test them when they will come to the office? So that's very practical to have it all in one place and to see not only who is coming to the office, but what is their vaccination or corona status. Now, let me show you briefly how you create spaces in the office. Well, we deal with real 3D floor plans, and that helps your colleagues to orient in the office, and you can easily create desks. You can make it personalized, so individual desks, or you could allocate it to a specific team. You could block it. You could also create here meeting rooms, and your colleagues can easily find their space thanks to this 3D floor plans. So that's how you create it. Then surely you add your employees. You have different roles you can assign. To create employees, it's very useful to use integrations that we offer. And it's not only Microsoft AD, Automated Directory, but it's also integrations with a number of HR platforms um, that help you both to synchronize employee data, but also to synchronize status of employees. So if someone is sick, then his or her booking, desk booking will be canceled in Yoffix. So just to make sure that your capacity, your office is effectively used. As we are looking on integrations, it's really we pay a lot of attention how to integrate your system to other IT solutions you use. So that's why we offer a number of options for single sign-on. It's Google, it's Microsoft ID, it's Okta, OneLogin, OpenID. We are integrated with Slack, so you can book desks and see who's coming to the office also in Slack. And surely we're integrated with calendars, and we're at the moment finalizing our integration with Microsoft Teams. Important thing is surely the dashboard, so where you as admin have all the information you need to manage your space, to see utilization during the week in different spaces, see how many seats do you have available, see the historical trend, but also see what is the statistics where people work from and how many days a week they spend either in the office or at home. What we added just recently is also additional statistics on attendance, both on Teams level or on people level, so that you can understand, well, which team haven't been in the office already for too long time, and they should probably rather come to the office jointly. So that's also a tool for you to manage to steer your hybrid organization, to help team leaders to plan their time, but also not to lose transparency, not to lose overview how your and where your colleagues are working. So that's in the nutshell. Should we offer also mobile app? As I said, we offer also Slack integration, and you are more than welcome to book a demo with us to learn much more and go in details and see how Yoffix is fitting your office requirements. Thanks a lot. That was brief brief product demo from Yoffix. My name is Nikolai. Write me or call me. You'll find all my details on yourfix.com. Thank you. Bye.